What's up? MLG No Scoper here. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of airsoft with the SMG Uzi. It's a really good electric. It stays durable a lot of the time. It's a really good gun. Let's test it. Aw. Do it over here. Well, I think that's the last of the BBs out of the whole thing. So it's as you can see, a really good gun. It fires fast. It's an electric, but it was $35, but it works great. It lasts long. It's, you know. Well, that's one of the videos for today, and it's nice to see you. Have a good day. God bless.